Hey guys, it's Drea. Today I have a lip swatch slash lipstick video for you. This is all of my favorite coral lipsticks. Summertime is really coral lipstick season for me. Like, you really won't see me rocking a tangerine lip in the middle of December. So summertime really is the time when I bust out all my like peachy, orangey, coral type lip products, and I thought I would just show you some of my faves in this video. And if you're wondering what is on my eyes, there's absolutely nothing on my eyes, because my favorite way to wear this type of bright orange lipstick is with a bare eyelid in the summertime. I think it's just such a fresh look. It's like all the attention is on the lips, and yeah, there's bronze skin, there's highlighted skin, but I like to keep the attention on the color on the lips, so that's what I'm doing today. I do have false eyelashes on, but that's about it. Alright, so let's start with what is on my lips currently. This is from NYC. This is my favorite coral lipstick of all time. I think it's gorgeous. It's this like pinky orange coral. It's like the definition of coral to me. This is one of their Get It All lipsticks, and this is in the shade Terrific Coral. NYC is a hard brand to get now. You can kind of find it certain places. You can also get this kind of thing online, but they're not in every Walmart like they used to be. But this is one of my favorites. It's, you know, it's not a transfer proof formula. It's just a regular bullet lipstick, but I do love it. It wears a long time and it's super comfortable on the lips. So this next one is from L'Oreal. This is one of their new Color Shine lipsticks. This is much more of a sheer formula. This is a very toned down version of coral. So if you like the idea of coral, but you don't want to like scream at people from your lips that, hey, it's coral, look at me, look over here, this could be possibly for you. So this is much more of a nudie pinky coral, very everyday. This is a balmy formula, so it's gonna be easy to apply, easy to like, you know, just reapply throughout the day. It's not gonna last very long. Usually these will last less than an hour on my lips for sure, but it's fine if you don't mind reapplying, and it's super comfortable, really beautiful, makes your lips look nice and plump. Just a really nice like balmy, beautiful tinted coral color for summer. Alright, so this next one is much more of a nude version. This I wouldn't really describe as coral. I would say this is much more of a peachy nude, so I wanted to include it though because it is a really great summertime color. This is from Urban Decay. This is one of their Vice lipsticks. This is in the shade Fuel. This came out with their Naked Heat palette. This is one of their cream formulas. I love the cream formula. It's just super comfortable. It goes on so like slick and easily, and it's just like really nice, and it has some, what's the word I'm looking for? I want to say like heft, but that's not the right word. It's just got something to it where you rub your lips together and you can feel it. It's not a thin formula, but it's not super, super duper thick either. It's just really nice, comfortable, creamy formula on your lips. And I like this better than a pinky nude for summer, because usually if you have more tan skin, this is something that's going to go really well with tan skin. Alright, here's another very sheer balmy formula. This is from Dior. This is one of their Addict lipsticks. This is in the shade Exotique. This one I would say is much more of a pinky coral. So it is almost verging totally on pink, but it still has that peach factor to it. So again, this is just very balmy, these always make your lips look so like plump and juicy. That's why I love them so much, because they just make your lips look like so full. So one of my favorite formulas as well for like a nice balminess, and it's really pretty. This is one that I will usually start wearing in the springtime and take it into the summer, just because it has more of that pinkness to it, not totally that orange factor to it, but still another favorite. Alright, here's the point in time at which my lips are gonna start looking a little patchy. It's happening. Alright, so this one is from NYX. This is their Super Clicky lipsticks, matte lipstick it's called, although it's not really totally matte, is it? It's got a little shine to it. This one is in the shade 01 on the DL. So this one I would describe as a very everyday, peachy, like deep peachy nude. So it's much deeper than your regular nude, but it's definitely got that orangey peach component to it. Although you could wear this to work, nobody would bat an eye. It's again just that really nice kind of peachy nude that's going to look really good with tan skin in the summertime. This is a really interesting little lipstick. It's got a little clicker on the bottom. and that's how the actual lipstick comes out. It's a very thick formula, very, very thick, almost waxy feeling. It's not my favorite formula in the world, although it will last a really long time on the lips. It really does, and it will kind of wear away evenly. But again, it's not like totally matte. So if you're looking for a matte lipstick, you still have a little bit of shine to it. And it's definitely not like transfer proof, that's for sure. It's just a regular bullet lipstick in that sense. But it is a really cool color, and I've been enjoying it a lot recently. So this next one is from Wet n Wild. This is one of their liquid catsuits. This is in the shade Coral Corruption. This is just a nice, like, again, pinky coral, kind of everyday. Definitely has that coral component, so it's not so much pink, it's definitely more coral. But I think you could get away with this in almost any social situation without anybody thinking your lips were too bold. If that's something you worry about, I know there's lots of people who rock a bold lip on the daily, and that's awesome. I don't do it every day, only every once in a while. But, you know, a lot of people like to tone things down, especially in the office. So I think this is toned down enough where it's summertime, people would see it and not think twice, but it's a little bit of color to your lips. So this is a transfer-proof formula. If you've never tried the Wet n Wild liquid catsuits before, they are amazing. It's a wonderful formula. It lasts all day long. Very comfortable. Some of them are crumbly. I don't want to say crumbly. Some of them wear away a little bit more easily than others. This one I would say is kind of right in the middle. So this one should last you through most of the day, but it might not get you the entire day just because it's not super, super duper pigmented, where some of the more vampy colors I think last a lot longer than the nuder shades. And this isn't nude, but you know, a lighter shade. So there you go. All right, another one that is a nice, really just kind of sheer, balmy, everyday formula. This is from MAC. This is one of their patent pencils. So patent polished lip pencil, and this is in the shade Clever. This one just has the slightest hint of a peachy coralness to it, not very much at all. It's just it's very much closer to a nude than anything else, but it still has a little bit of that component to it. It's just a really comfortable formula that you can slap on super easily. They smell amazing too. And another one from MAC. You guys, I know this is looking crazy because I had to wipe off that liquid lipstick. My lips are looking a little crazy right now. But okay, another one from MAC. This is from the Nicki Minaj line. It's called Nicki's Nude that she did in collaboration. I think maybe you could still get your hands on these. This is definitely going to be your closest to plain old nude, but still having that hint. Just that little hint of a coral to it. So it is very much nude. It's going to look very different depending on your skin tone. This is a really nice kind of thick creamy formula. It's pigmented enough where it's going to cover your lips. Like I've been wiping my lips and they're getting a little weird under there, and it's completely covering up, you know, any pigmentation of my own natural lips. It's very pigmented, but it's still going to like be easy to wear. It's like this creaminess is really, really nice. So I do really like this one a lot, and I would still classify this as like a peachy nude, not quite coral, but definitely has a peach component. Okay, finally, I wanted to end with this because not only is it probably my favorite out of all of these, well, the first one was my favorite. This is my second favorite out of all of these. This to me screams summertime. So do you remember back in the beginning of the video, I said bare eyelids and like bold lips, like bold tangerine coral lips? This is exactly what I'm talking about. So this to me is like one of my favorite summertime looks. These orange lips with the just lashes and that's it, highlighted up, bronzed. Like I love the way this looks. I left this one for last also because it is another one of the transfer proof formulas. This is another liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild. So it is completely transfer proof, matte, and this is called Terrifying Tangerine. This came out at Halloween, which is why it's called Terrifying, because it was part of their Halloween collection. But I just checked recently on their website for Wet n Wild, and it's still available. I think this is much better of a summer shade than a Halloween shade. I mean, you're only going to wear it probably once on Halloween and not again till summertime, so why not just wear it all summer long? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Okay. So anyways, this is going to be another one of those like last all day type formulas. The only thing that I will say with this is that it requires 2 coats. And you definitely have to like kind of let it dry in between. And even then sometimes I do get these lines, like if you have lip lines and it doesn't quite go in those lip lines, you know what I'm saying? So that can happen. However, I still love it. I really, really love it. This is just the epitome to me of like coral orange lips in the summertime. It's definitely bold. If you don't like it that bold, I would suggest the next one. Go for the NYC one, but this is definitely the boldest out of all of them. So that is it for all of my coral, tangerine, orange kind of shades of lipstick in my collection that I wanted to show you. These are all such favorites for the summertime. Let me know which one you like the best. Let me know if you have a favorite coral lipstick that is not here, because I'm always kind of on the hunt for that kind of thing. It's a very specific shade, very special kind of thing that is not like in every line of lipstick that's out there. So definitely let me know what your favorites are down below. That is it for today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're speaking kindly to yourself. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.